You would try it at the end. It gave me a vibe of chewing gum. Have you had this already? You sneaky, sneaky rat. Have you had this box already before me? Thank you, Hibbert. For some reason, I always thought you were Australian. I am not. I am Southern American. My day was good overall. It's hot here. It's hot everywhere right now. Hi, Snow. Hi, Ricardo. How was your day? It was good. How's your day? No. Yeah, I see you. I called you out. Thank you guys for the follows. Alright, let's try a different one then, since Payne wants to tell me not to try that. Thank you for the follow. Why weren't you following me before? You gonna be in here chatting up and shit, and you weren't even following me? Thank you for the follow, though. It's very hot. I hope it rains soon. Real. Okay. These say sweet and spicy tteokbokki flavor. Tteokbokki. 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 Alright, these look painful for my stomach, but here we go. Does anybody know what tteokbokki flavor is? Tteokbokki? Actually, I don't think I want another one. It is sweet at first, but then it's like spicy and I didn't care for that. That's like a 3. Are you good at eating spicy food? No, not at all. Spicy food fucks me up. Why are they all in Japanese letters? Because this is a Universal Yums box, and my snacks are from Korea this month. Throw that on the floor. Alright, this looks yummy. This looks like something I would like. It is vanilla cream. What is your favorite candy? Starburst, gummies. I love gummies. Airheads. Yeah, that kind of stuff. I think you will love that one. Me too. Oh, they're individually wrapped. That's actually cute. Hi, Decky. That looks so yummy. It does look yummy. How many cakes out of 10 do you give to each snack? I've been rating them. I've been trying to rate them. Have I been rating them? Don't fuck with me like that. My memory's not that good. I also love gummies. Gummies are so goated. This is what it looks like. Uh-huh. Clock it. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna eat that whole thing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, brother. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Have you considered going on a weight loss journey? I have considered it. And I've actually almost lost 100 pounds. But I don't intend on losing any more because I like how I look right now at this moment. And I don't give a fuck what you have to say if you don't like it. If you don't like it, you can leave. She will eat that whole thing. It was good as fuck. That's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It tastes like, to me, it tastes like a vanilla wafer with like a little bit of icing on it. Delicious. Delicious. You're a beautiful lady. Thank you, Colin. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching me. I'm just a girl. Okay. Thank you for the hydrate. The next one was some Pocky Sticks. Snowy almond. Snow angel cake. Happy early birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love that emoji. Yes. This is what it looks like. Guys, sometimes I pronounce like, just so you guys know what I'm saying, but I have an accent, so like, it is what it is. You just gotta get used to it. What are you gonna do to celebrate your birthday? I'm going out of town for the day with my best friend. I don't know. This one's good too. You know what? I did not have very high expectations for this box because Korea, I was like, I'm probably not gonna like anything that's in there. And so far, this has actually been like the best one in my opinion. You thought there were insects? Huh? Happy early birthday. Thank you. Thank y'all. Those were good. I give those a 9 out of 10. Next. Oh, I'm not gonna like these. I'm not gonna like these. For the longest time, I thought a lot was spelled a lot as one word until corrected many times in kindergarten until 2nd grade. I mean, ooh. Thank you guys for the follows and the compliments. Ooh. It looks like a butt. It looks like booty cheeks. Thank you for the heart meme. It looks like booty cheeks. Look. Focus. Not me. It looks like booty cheek. It's not picking it up very well. Dang, it's not showing it. There we go. I mean, you saw it a little bit, right? Booty cheek. Chat. I actually fuck with that. I actually do fuck with that. I do cuss a little. Yeah, what's your favorite cuss word? Probably fuck. These, I will give a 6 out of 10. I'm surprised that I even ate those. I'm so surprised by me liking this box. Like, this genuinely has been one of the best ones I had. Last month's was Thailand, and thank you for the roses, and I hated it. It was awful.